What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Eufy Robovac 11s, a very low-profile robot vacuum. One of the trickiest areas to clean is under furniture. Thanks to its low 2.85-inch profile, the Eufy Robovac 11s can go where other robot vacuums can't, and gets those dust bunnies lurking under your couch. At around $200, it's affordable, and it's also quieter than the average robot vacuum as well, reading just 62.5 decibels in our tests. While it's not a smart robot vacuum, the S11 does come with a remote, which made it easy to control. Performance was pretty good for the price, as it picked up nearly 88% of all debris. It was less effective with pet hair though, picking up just 67.5%. It took its time to reach this result however, needing between 55 to 100 minutes to navigate our test areas. We also found that emptying the 11s resulted in a little cloud of dust. The 11s also had a propensity for getting stuck on rug tassels as well as shag carpet. It wasn't smart enough to avoid those obstacles. Still, it's a capable and affordable robot vacuum, not one for those with pets though. Samsung JetBot AI Plus, best robot vacuum for features. The Samsung JetBot AI Plus is packed full of features to say the least. This intelligent and gentle cleaner almost acts as a security camera as much as a robot vacuum cleaner. It can patrol your home while you're away and live stream what it can see straight to your phone. It can also recognize objects and offer alternative cleaning patterns, so you can choose the route you want it to take. It's quick to map out the home and easy to create no-go zones or select specific rooms to clean. This model also comes with a self-emptying base, which makes it low maintenance, but it is just as noisy as other vacuums when it empties. In terms of cleaning, it's very careful to navigate its way around furniture, but the overall pickup could be better, particularly on pet hair. It's not a cheap investment either, but it's good looking and we can't complain about the range of features. Neato Botvac D7 Connected, best for cleaning in a hurry. The Neato Botvac D7 Connected makes our list of the best robot vacuums because it's the fastest, and one of the smartest, robot vacuums we've tested. It finished our tests in an average of 10 minutes, 22 seconds, blitzing through pet hair, Cheerios, and kitty litter, and picking up a great deal of them, too. However, it wasn't as effective as our top 2 picks, the Shark Ion R85 and the iLife V5s Pro, at collecting debris. The D7 also has multi-room and multi-floor mapping, and can be controlled using Alexa and Google Assistant. We also liked how easy it was to empty its dustbin. At around $550, the Neato Botvac D7 Connected isn't the cheapest, nor the most expensive robot vacuum, but as a mid-range model, it has all the features and performance that you could want. Eufy Robovac G30 Edge, quiet cleaning and basic mapping at a good price. Not only is the modestly priced Eufy Robovac G30 Edge robot vacuum a very good cleaner, but it's a very quiet one, too. We barely heard it as it made its rounds as it made its way through our rooms in a very methodical pattern. While not as effective as the top performers on our list, it still managed to pick up 88.9% of all debris laid before it. It is a much better performer on hard floors, 94.35%, versus carpets, 83.52%, which is worth bearing in mind depending on your flooring. An updated app made using the G30 Edge much easier than with previous Eufy robot vacuums. While the G30 Edge creates a map of your home, you can't set up virtual no-go zones, or direct it to clean specific rooms. iLife V5s Pro, a good robot vacuum and mop. The second best robot vacuum under $200 is iLife's V5s Pro, which vacuumed nearly as well as the V5s Pro, picking up pet hair, Cheerios, and kitty litter with the same effectiveness. The main difference with the V5s Pro is that it has an added mopping feature. While this seems like a great idea, a vacuum and mopper in one, we found that the V5s Pro was pretty ineffective at mopping in our in-home tests, so this feature didn't add that much value. Like most budget robot vacs, the V5s Pro lacks a smartphone app, and doesn't work with any smart home devices or virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. It's also one of the slowest robot vacuums we've tested, taking even longer than the iLife V5s Pro. It needed about 100 minutes to navigate our testing area. Still, for the money, it's a very effective, and very inexpensive robot vacuum. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.